Sir, you want us to adjourn or not?
No, let's
mustn't complain about time because
let's proceed.
you have all the time.
Yes.
If you want us to adjourn to come back tomorrow, no problem.
No, I want to put this one question.
So you're talking to who now?
So sorry, my lord, I'm talking to the court. I just want to put this
Talking to the court facing that way?
I'm multitasking, my lord, as the court faces. I'm going to refer you to Exhibit RR1. I'm not sure whether it's in front of you.
Uthi ummeli siqhubeke ngalo bufakazi buka RR1.
Do you have it in front of you?
Iyona le RR1.
And I'm going to catch it at the tail end. That is the appearance of the 22nd of January 2021. And the first part has been read into record by the court, which says, accused, do you confirm that you have terminated the instructions of Mr. And it says indistinct. Then accused replies, he says, it is so, your worship. And the court, let me read it until the fourth, just before the 10th line. And then the court says, so going forward, what are you intending to do? And the accused say, I, and then indistinct, services of legal aid attorney, and indistinct to assist me because I want to open a case against Mr. Mjiyako.
Uthi ke uzoyibamba emsileni la ukuthi kugcinwe kukhulunywa ngelanga le-22 zika January 2021 la ukuthi umantshi uye wathi uyavuma wena ukuthi usuyahoxisa ukusetshenziswa kuka mnumzane bese lana kuzange kubhalwe ukuthi umnumzane ubani wena wathi yebo kunjalo nkosi yenkantolo umantshi wabuza ukuthi manje ukuya phambili so uzimisele ukuthi uzoyenza njani wena waphendula wathi mina bese lana kwangazwakali ukusetshenziswa kwabameli be-legal aid bese kwangazwakali nokuthi wena waqhubeka wathi ukuthi bakusize ngoba ufuna ukuvulela ufuna ukuvula icala uvulela umnumzana uMjiyako.
Yebo nkosi enkantolo ngakusho.
Yes my lord, I did say that.
And why did you want to open the case against Mr. Mjiyako?
Kungani wawukade ufuna ukuvulela umnumzana uMjiyako icala?
Nkosi enkantolo okokuqala nqa ubaba uMjiyako azange atshene inkantolo ukuthi ngishaye.
My lord, first and foremost, Mr. Mjiyako did not inform the court that I was assaulted. Secondly, he was lying that he was sent by my family. Thirdly, he went to court in Rustenburg and said I was sick.
Awumphatha kabuhlungu kuye wayengeza ukukhuluma nami njengeloya njengamanye amalwala la engiwathula afika ke mazokhuluma nami e-police station ejele.
Again my lord, he was not behaving as an attorney coming to consult me as other attorneys have came to consult me in prison.
Njengoba ngangifuna ukwazi nokuthi inkosi enkantolo ubani umuntu kahle kahle amthumile nokuthi mangihamba ngiya court mangihamba ngiya kuphi kufanele afike ngifuna ukwazi lo muntu loye amkhombe phambi kwa court ngithi nje ngicela ukumvulela icala nkosi enkantolo.
And I wanted to know who exactly has instructed him to go to all the court appearances where I was, and that is why I had said I wanted to open a case for him, my lord.
Nanokuthi ubani lo muntu wayembhadala nkosi enkantolo.
And also find out who was paying him.
And now we go to line 24, same page, page 1 of the proceedings of the 22nd of January 2021. And the court in reply to that, it says, Mr. Ntanzi, the court has heard you that you want to apply for legal aid and also that you want to give instructions for other things. So this matter today is transferred to the regional court for you to be appearing there, and you will make an application for legal aid and you will instruct an attorney for legal aid, whatever you are dissatisfied about. So your matter is now transferred to the regional court in Tlhabane. You will appear on the 2nd of February 2021. You will remain in custody for now. There is no bail.
bese ke inkantolo yona yaqhubeka yathi Mnumzane Ntanzi, inkantolo iyezwa ukuthi wena uthi ufaka isicelo sokumelwa abameli abangakhokhelwa be-legal aid, bese ke ufuna ukuthi ubatshele izinto ezithize, bese ke okwanamhlanje icala lihlehliselwa enkantolo eyaseThabani e-Regional Court la ukuthi wena uzoya uyovela khona bese uyofaka leso sicelo sokuthi umelwe abameli be-legal aid, bese uyabatshela ke ukuthi wena ufuna ukubatshela ini izinto ezingakwenelisi. Leli cala ke lona lihlehliselwa khona enkantolo yaseThabani, wena uzobuya nge-2 zika February 2021 uzohlala usaboshiwe ngoba awunayo ibail.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord, it is correct.
And then your response is, yes, your worship, yes, indistinct, my children, indistinct, thank you. And the court goes on, you give further instructions to legal aid, thank you. And the matter is postponed to the 2nd of February 2021.
Bese ke wena waphendula wathi yebo Nkosi yenkantolo, yebo, bese kwaba nento engazwakali lana, wathi ingane zami, bese kwaba nento engazwakali, wabonga, bese inkantolo yona yathi usozo chazisela laba abe-legal aid uma ufika kubona. Inkantolo bese ngalelo langa yahlethisela icala emuva ihlethisela i-2 zika February 2021.
Now, just for clarification purpose, do you recall what you said? Because it says here indistinct, but something about your children. Do you recall what you addressed the court on about your children?
Usakhumbula ukuthi lana wawukade utheni labo uthi yebo Nkosi yenkantolo, yebo, bese akuzwakalanga lana ukuthi wawuthini, kodwa wawukade ukhuluma ngeingane zakho. Usakhumbula ukuthi wawuthini?
Angisakhumbula kahle Nkosi enkantolo ngoba kube mhlambe kubhaliwe kuvele konke ngizokhumbula mangijana.
I do not recall, my lord. If it was written, then I would be able to elaborate.
Ngoba into mina ngangilokho ngikhala ngaphambi kweNkosi enkantolo eRustenburg, ngangikhala ngenhlamvu Nkosi enkantolo ngicela ukuzibona ngoba eRustenburg isikhathi esiningi ingane beyifika izongivakashela ukuthi inhlamvu zayifunana endlini, mina ngihlala nomuntu iyangimangaza namanje lento lena ukuthi zazibeke obani babevule ngani futhi nakhona endlini yami nje. Ngiyafuna ukwazi nalapho Nkosi enkantolo.
Because, my lord, in Rustenburg, I wanted to know about the ammunition, on how did the ammunition get to my house and who opened for them and how was it possible that I had ammunition in my house and the children were visiting me. So I wanted answers, my lord.
As the court pleases, my lord, we are at the end of the day. Should we take a long adjournment until tomorrow?
Okay. You adjourn until tomorrow?
As the court pleases, my lord.
So we are kusasa.